अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, नमस्ते। क्या आप लोगों को नहीं लगता कि सुशांत की लास्ट फिल्म ड्राइव थिएटर में नहीं आई, पोर्टल पे आई? तो हम सब मिलके फाइट करके उसकी दिल बेचारा फिल्म को थिएटर में लाएंगे और सुपर हिट करेंगे।
You gave me here forever in a limited number of days, and for that I'm forever grateful. You told me that from the book that our film is based on, that is your favorite line. And every day before a tough emotional scene, because there were just so many of those in our film, we would read this line out to each other. I'm really grateful to everybody who believe that Sushant is a artist beyond excellence, and I'm really thankful for all of your love and condolences. I would just really appreciate I don't even know what to say. All I can say is that Mani, I promise that you used to tell me after the end of every schedule that that you want to see me go far, and that you think I have infinite potential. And we spoke about what we wanted to do for the purpose of education of children in India, and you had these insane ideas. And because I was doing all this work on ground, we spoke about bringing that together, and I just promise you that everyone who loves you is forever going to be grateful for the gift that you have left behind, which is the amazing work that you've done and the life that you've lived. And we just wish you'd never done this.